What's going on, guys? This is going to be the last video in this little section here. But essentially, the whole thing that we took away from this is HTML tags. Now you know all of the basic elements and setup you need to structure an HTML page and add the different types of content. With the help of CSS, very soon you'll be creating beautiful websites. Now, while some tags have a different specific purpose, such as image and video tags, most tags are used to describe the content they surround, which help us modify and style our content later. There's seemingly infinite number of tags to use, many more than what we've learned here. Knowing when to use each one is based on how you want to describe the content of your HTML. Descriptive, well-chosen tags are one high-quality web development aspects of web development. And a full list of available HTML tags can be found in Mozilla documentation. So we will keep this in mind, and this is the entire, all of these. Wow, that is a lot of tags. The dir, the font, the frame, the image. Oh my god, that is actually crazy. A lot. HR, LI, DL, DD, Blacko. That's actually crazy, guys. But yeah, that's actually crazy. Alright, and let's review what we've learned in this lesson. So we've learned that exclamation point doc type HTML declaration should be always the first line of code in your HTML files. This lets the browser know the version of HTML to expect. And then the HTML element will contain all of the HTML code. Information about the web page, like the title, belongs within the head of the page. You can add a title to your web page by using the title element inside of the head. A web page's title appears in the browser's tab. Anchor tags, or A, are used to link internal web pages, external, or content on the same page. You can create sections on a web page and jump to them using the anchor tags and adding IDs to the elements you wish to jump to. Now, white space between HTML elements help make the code easier to read while not changing how elements appear in the browser. Indentation also helps make code easier to read. It's like a parent-child relationship visible. And comments are written in HTML using the following syntax. You have the exclamation point, dash dash comment, and dash dash angle brackets. So take some time to edit the workspace you created and observe how it changes. So a lot of you guys are asking how you can follow along if you don't have access to these. And what I would say is, instead of just copying this and copying what I did, I would honestly just find it way more fun and way more interesting if you went out of your way to essentially create a whole new thing for something you like. So, for example, I have a friend who really likes cybersecurity, okay? So, what he can do is probably make a whole page about cybersecurity and say, oh, this is the introduction, this is how it works, this is how to hack other people's computers, or like what cybersecurity really is, like all of that stuff, right? And you then try to implement every one of these things that we've just learned. We've learned the anchor tag, or first set up your whole document using the doc type, the HTML elements, include a body and a head, sorry, and put title as cybersecurity. Then use an anchor tag, use a header, use divs, use divs for sure. And then what else? You can use the lists. Try to use an unordered list and an ordered list as well. Um, use the use the anchor tag to link to an internal and an external page. Try to use all of the headings, H1 through H6, and then make sure you have images as well as a video. And then yeah, that's gonna be it. Oh, make sure to use IDs by the way as well. But yeah, if you can do that, like that will really help you. And try to create an about me page about you. It's gonna be really helpful in the future. But yeah, without further ado, that's gonna end the video right here. I'll see you guys in the next one and have a great day.